must be online. Do not offline. You are asking already. You have asked this question, Rohit. You must be online. Rohit, Ashish, Shailendra, and Pappu, Partoos, all the students. Your problem in 4 digits integer number from 1001 to 9999. The digits group 37 appears how many times? A is equal to 299, B is equal to 270, C is equal to 280, and D is equal to 279. How to solve this question? It has come in electrical, maybe in other branch. The aptitude that is common for all branch, you must note it. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes in 4 digits integer from 1001 to 9999. So it means that you have total number of 0 to 9 digit. It means that total number of 10 digits you can fill here, but your number it will be start from 1. Okay, so let he has asked the digits group 37 appears. The case number 1 may be 37 here. So you have total number of 10 digit, and also the 37, if you write 37 here, this 37 maybe there are any number. It is also belonging to this range 1001 to 9999. So that is the correct option. Now you can take any value from digit 0 to 9. So there are total number of 10 digits. From 10 digit you can put any one. You must go in the permutation and combination lecture how to solve such type of problem. And there are also 10 options. You can take any value because numbers can be repeated. They have not mentioned anything. Maybe there is 11, 00, 22, 55, 77. So 10p1, 10p1. So total number of cases are 10 into 10 is equal to 100. So for this case you have total number of 100 cases. Now another case, maybe the 37 appear here. 37 appear here. Here any number, here any number. You know that you cannot place 0 here. You can place any number from 10 digit, but you cannot place 0 here because that is greater than 1001. So there are total number of 9 options. Okay, you will select any one. You will arrange any one. Permutation means arranging. You are arranging any one number from 9 digits. Okay. Similarly here total number of 10 digits. Okay, and 10 digits you are taking any one. So total number of cases are 10 into 9 is equal to 90. Now for the third case, same also third case, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 37 is here. Okay, 37. Okay. So 37, 30 again. That is also same. You cannot put 0 here, but you can put any value here. So that is also 90. So total cases are 100 plus. If there is no relationship between the event, then you will add. So there is no relationship. Either this event will occur or this event or this event. So 100 plus 90 plus 90. So this is 0, 18, 280. So your correct option that will be 280. I think that you understand. Now the second question. Yes. Second question. You have asked, given a semicircle with 0 as the center as shown in the figure, this is your figure, the ratio AC plus CB upon AB is, he is asking. Answer is A is equal to 2, B is equal to square root 2, and C is equal to 3, and D is equal to square root 3. So that is the semicircle, that is perpendicular. So this, that is the chord, and also that is the diameter of this circle. I will solve here this problem. This is very simple. You must note if you are preparing for the GATE exam. Related to geometry, one question it will come 100%. That is my guarantee. Okay, you can check last 10-year question. They have asked related to geometry. So your concept for the geometry, it must be clear. We have uploaded many video for the geometry also, mensuration chapter especially. Okay, so this is O. Okay, and this is your 2 chord, and let this is C. Okay, he is asking AC. AC means this, and CB. CB means this, and AB. AB means this. This. AB means this. Okay, ratio of this. So if it is X, let definitely it will be also X. Why? Why? This is the perpendicular. Okay, this is the perpendicular. That is 90 degree. It means that it will be 45 degree, and that is also 45 degree. Why? Because this is radius and this is also radius. There is no light. I think that the light it has gone, and this is the night, and we are taking the lectures continue. So there are some disturbance. You must note it. So maybe it is visible. So R, that is also R, that is also, both are radius. In this condition, this angle and this angle both are same. So both are radius. So this is 45, this is 45. Similarly, this is also 45 and this is also 45, because sum of the all angle is equal to 180. So 90 plus 45 is equal to 180, and that is also triangle. 90 plus 45 plus 45 is equal to 180. And this triangle and this triangle both are similar because all the angles are same. And side is also same. All the angles are same and two sides are same. It means that this is congruent to this. It means that this length and that is both length are same. It means that if it is x, then this is also x. That is the diameter. That is the diameter. Now we have to find the relationship between this and this. How to solve it? That is very simple. You can also solve. This is radius, this is radius. What is this? BC square is equal to OB square plus OC square in this triangle. Triangle OBC. In this triangle, this square plus this square is equal to this square. Hypotenuse square is equal to length square plus base square. Okay. So BC is the hypotenuse. So this is x square is equal to radius square and plus radius square. Okay. So this is 2r square is equal to x square. You can write. What is x? So your x is equal to plus minus square root of 2r square. It means that this is plus minus r square root 2. What is x? X is either BC or AC. Either BC or AC. This is your x. Now put here. AC is equal to x. It means that AC plus CB upon AB. AB is equal to, AC is equal to x. X plus x, because CB is also x. AC x, CB x upon AB is equal to 2r. Upon AB is equal to 2r. So because r plus r is equal to 2r. So 2x upon 2r. Both cut. And already we have find x is equal to r square root 2. Already we have find this is plus minus r square root 2, x is equal to, and here r cancel, this is plus minus square root 2. But in this question they have not mentioned minus root 2. And also you know that the length of any rod, the length of any this line it will be never negative. So it means that that is positive. In this condition, it will be plus square root 2. So your answer, it will be this. Now the last question, this is also 1 second. We will take only 1 second to solve this question. The question is, if PQRS are 4 individuals, how many terms of size exceeding 1 can be formed with Q as a member? A is equal to 7, B is equal to 5, C is equal to 8 and D is equal to 6. That is also within 2 or 3 seconds you can solve it. How solve it? Very simple. So you have total number of PQRS, 4 members, individual members. How many terms of size exceeding 1 can be formed with Q as a member? Means Q will be the member. Okay. So either there are total number of 4 person and Q means, suppose Q is the Sachin and Sachin will be the member of your team. So in this condition you will never think about the Sachin, you will think about the others people. There are total number of PQRS, 4 people, and already you have selected this person. Now rest of 3 people PRS. Now you have to think, should you take this or all of this? The case number 1, either you will take 1 out of 3. So you are selecting, that is the combination. Permutation means arranging and combination means choose. You are selecting. Okay, go in the lecture permutation and combination. So there are total number of 3 members and you have to select any one out of 3. So 3C1. Now second case is, maybe you will use you will select 2 out of 3, and third one is maybe you will select 3 out of 3. So there are total number of 3 cases. So what is the formula? NC1 is equal to n factorial, NCR is n factorial, R factorial, n minus R factorial. That is the answer. So 3C1 you can solve it. That will be 3, and this is 3 factorial upon 2 factorial. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. That is 3. Okay, and this is NCN. Already NCN is equal to 1. You must note it. And NC1 is equal to already n. Already we have solved many such type of problems. So this is 1. So now you have to add. I told you, whenever if there is no relationship between 2 cases, then you will add the number. If there is a relationship, then you will multiply. That is the definition of multiplication and addition. So here there is no relationship. Either this event will occur, or this event will occur, or this event will occur. If this event, if you have taken 1 person out of 3, then you will never think about 2 person or 3 person. So here we are adding 3 plus 3 plus 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So your answer, it will be 7. And you can see that there are 4 options. Your first answer is 7. So that is the correct answer. So I told you that if you are just preparing for IIT, GATE exam or IIT JEE, so geometry part and this permutation, combination and probability, these are very, very important. Okay, don't miss these lectures. These are helpful for all branch. Okay, so I think that you understand, Papu. Okay. So Aman also, he is asking many times the change of order. He is not getting this question, how to solve such type of problem. Many times I have seen the engineering student, they are asking the same questions, the change of order for the double integration. Okay. So again I will solve it.